Tuning your course, strategically aligning curriculum and outcomes. This was an Innovation Pipeline grant. CourseTune is a way to visualize the underpinnings and framework of curriculum design. It provides a way to look at the alignment of courses, competencies, objectives, and activities while also enabling the ability for collaboration among faculty. The idea was that CourseTune would be leveraged in courses in two ways. First, for outcomes assessment, faculty would be able to map their courses with SEC institutional outcomes known as the Wivens Statement to course competencies, to module learning objectives, and further to specific course activities, lessons, and assessments. This information would be used to inform student learning outcomes assessment and reported to HLC for Criterion 4. Second, for course design. This technology can be leveraged in the course design by first providing an opportunity for faculty to map out their courses to be able to see how they are meeting institutional and course outcomes objectives. Second, the collaborative nature of this product allows for faculty to share their approaches and work together. For example, two faculty teaching the same course may use very different assessments to address a specific competency. They may find that one is using an assessment that addresses the oral institutional outcome, while another may find that their assignment addresses the numerical institutional outcome. Individually, they may realize that their courses may be heavily weighted to addressing only one type of institutional outcome, and then through this collaboration feature can work together, borrow content and assessments, etc. We wanted to see how CourseTune could facilitate these processes. The grant funding was able to provide us with 20 licenses to use the product. Given that the SLOA committee is comprised of 14 people and the CTL has 3 staff members, we focused our efforts on the outcomes assessment piece with the thought that once we had the outcomes mapping done, we could then leverage the design piece. Here is the timeline of how we rolled it out. After the purchase was made, the CTL participated in private training with the vendor. The CTL then scheduled to meet and provide a demo to the Student Learning's Outcome Assessment Committee. This meeting was held on November 17th. Once the SLOA team saw the product and bought into the idea of exploring, a training was scheduled for the Week of Accountability in January. Once everyone was trained, the courses and their competencies were input into the CourseTune, and the faculty then went in and mapped their learning objectives. CourseTune visited the college in February, where we were able to discuss challenges, training, and further strategies for SLOA. We found 2 significant challenges. There is a word limit for course competencies and objectives that made it difficult to get the point across. There was also a number of competencies limit that required competencies to be grouped and then bundled a layer below the competencies. We also found some solutions. We could add links to our SLOA reports housed in Google Drive in the notes. In April, the SLOA team decided that the competencies issue was insurmountable and decided that CourseTune is not the best solution for their needs at this time.